In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to Substack for writing and reading workflows. Let's begin by opening Substack in your browser. Once the site loads, take a quick look at the left sidebar to confirm the Substack navigation is showing, including Home and Subscriptions. Also make sure the search field is visible on the page before moving on. Now head up to the top right corner and click the search icon for Substack. In the search field, type the word writing as your search term. Once you've typed it in, press enter on your keyboard to run the search. When the results load, click Publications in the Search Results tab so you only see publication matches. From the Publications results, click Writing Club, or you can pick any other writing-focused publication you prefer. The publication profile will open, and you should see a subscribe button in the header area at the top. Go ahead and click that subscribe button in the publication header. If Substack shows you plan choices, click the free plan option. Then click subscribe in the subscription window that appears. Give it a moment and wait for the publication header to update and show that your account is now subscribed. Next, let's save a post for your reading queue. Click Posts on the publication profile to view the list of articles. Find the first free post in the list. Then click the post title to open it. Confirm the post opens in Substack's reading view, so you know you're in the right place. Now click the three dots, and from the options that appear, click Save on that postcard. For the final step, you'll check the subscription in your reader workflow. Click your profile icon in the corner, and from the drop-down menu, click Subscriptions. Confirm the subscribed publication or its latest posts appear in the subscriptions area. If you want to return to the reading item, click the saved post or the publication name to jump back in. And that's the result. The Substack account is now subscribed to a writing-focused publication on the free plan, and one post is saved for later reading. The publication is part of your Substack reader flow, so new free posts can appear through Substack and through the account subscription area whenever they're published. That's how you set up a simple writing and reading workflow on Substack from start to finish.